Hello, welcome back to unboxing pmbok version 6. In this video lesson, we will be discussing about the project manager's relevance and the key roles and responsibilities towards the project, towards the organization, towards the industry, and towards the profession. pmbok6 have elaborated the project manager's role from the previous version. Here it is very elaborate, and I can guarantee you that this is more relevant because the project manager operates in an environment of the project team, the other portfolio, program and other project managers, the resource managers, the sponsors, the customer, the government bodies. So he has to operate through an array of stakeholders, and very often the stakeholders are not reporting to him. So it is a very complex and specialized role. So this pmbok version 6 is emphasizing that very clearly. They're comparing this role to that of a conductor of an orchestra. In a large orchestra, there could be even 100 plus musicians, and these musicians will be playing their notes, and it should be as per the lyrics. Any malfunction or anybody making an error, the whole orchestra, the rhythm of the orchestra will be lost, and that is the responsibility of the conductor of the orchestra. Similarly, the project manager have to play the project or execute the plan and execute the project as per the plan, and the team includes people with different skill sets. And very often, some of them may not be even reporting to the project manager, or the project manager may be operating in a functional organization or a projectized organization or a strong matrix or a weak matrix or a balanced matrix. That adds to the complexity. Let us see some of the responsibilities of the project manager towards the project team. First thing, we have to recruit the right team with the right skill sets and the right level of commitment. Train them on the domain and get them ready for project execution. We are accountable to the other project managers within the organization. If our project is a part of a program, we may have to continuously interact with other project managers as well as to the program manager, who are all part of the program. We may have to interact efficiently and sometimes even negotiate with the resource managers to get the right resources on time. We have to interact with the sponsors, and very often the sponsors can be either internal to the organization or can be external to the organization. And they are at very senior management positions, so we should know what to discuss. And very often, these stakeholders at a senior management level, till the final product is ready, they have to rely on the report submitted by the project manager. So it has to be relevant, concise, and precise, and it should communicate the current status as well as the future trends, because these key stakeholders are relying on the reports submitted by the project manager. So the project manager spends almost 90% of his time into communication, which include verbal communication, written communication. This is very critical. The project manager should have excellent communication skills and team management skills. So we'll come out with another video talking about the competencies required for the project manager. Now we said that the project manager's role is analogous to that of a conductor of an orchestra. So as a conductor of an orchestra, I need not play every instrument that is being played, or I need not be an expert in every instrument that is being played in the orchestra. At the same time, I should have excellent knowledge about composing the music, at the larger level, at a high level, I should have excellent knowledge about how the music is played, what is the relevance, what all things can go wrong. Similarly, for a project manager, I need not be highly technical, but at the same time, I should have an overall understanding of the domain in which the project is happening and the technical complexities. When something is going wrong, or when something is about to go wrong, or whenever I communicate with the project team or the team members, I should be able to understand and appreciate and foresee the things that may go wrong in the near to long durations. As a project manager, I have responsibility to the industry as well. So you take me, because I became a PMP when it was using version 3, and today it is version 6. So the project management body of knowledge is changing. So I have to update myself. Otherwise, I get obsolete. So with obsolete knowledge, I get into a project, a current project. Then I may be me and my team and the stakeholders may be at a loss or at a total disconnect with what's happening in the industry. So I should be always, as a project manager, I should be always abreast with what is happening in the industry. Then the project management as a profession, I should be, whatever knowledge I gain, I have this moral responsibility to pump it back to the body of knowledge, to share my knowledge with other groups, maybe PMI chapters, or within the organization also, or I can blog, or I can publish articles, I can participate in seminars, and even YouTube can be an excellent communication medium. So I should promote that profession of project management by contributing as well as by learning from others. I love this because very often project managers, they think that, oh, it's all waste, because I have a 6 or 7 member team sitting in a room and executing, whereas the project management body of knowledge invites you to get into the shoes of a project manager of a multi-location, multinational project. I have been part of a project where an ERP system have to be rolled out in 40 locations, 40 geographies across the globe. Look at the complexities, the cultural aspects, the diversities in the team, the distribution of the team, the challenges one may face, the stakeholders. It's a very and the project, the key project manager plays the pivot role. So it's a very senior and accountable and responsible position. When the teams are large, it is not as easy as talking to 5 or 6 people sitting in an air-conditioned cubicle with the luxury of having face-to-face communication, and most of the time these guys are highly educated. But when I talk to project managers from some other disciplines, they're talking about team sizes of 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 people at varying education levels, supplied by subcontractors and manpower consultants, and we have to get things done. So please get into the shoes of a project manager of such projects and look at PMBOK. We will be able to appreciate each and every bullet or line in the PMBOK. So I invite you to step into the shoes of a project of a large multinational project. Everything is relevant. I'm not stopping here. I'll be supplementing this with another video on the competencies of a project manager. That will happen soon. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, that is PMRI Campus, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the updates on time. You will not miss out on anything. You can easily convert your this video learning effort into contact hours or PDUs by subscribing to our online course. Whatever doubts you have and clarifications, please post it as a comment at the bottom of this video so that I can answer them. Thank you very much.